In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a parallax text reveal effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and open a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Pictures, then This Device. Now select your picture. Resize the picture so that it fits the slide. Let's zoom out a bit for better viewing. Right-click on the picture and copy it. Paste the picture by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. In the menu bar, click on Select. Click on Selection pane. In the title bar, click on Picture Format. In the menu bar, click on Remove Background. Now click on Keep Changes. In the Selection pane, rename this background removed file so that we don't get confused later. Now align the picture right on top of the original picture. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Text Box. Place the text box. Now type your text here. Select the text and change the font to something bold. In my case, I will use the Montserrat Black font. Change the text color to white. Increase the text size. In my case, I will use 145. In the title bar, click on Shape Format. In the menu bar, click on Align. In the drop-down menu, click on Align Center. Copy and paste the text layer also. Select the second text layer and change the fill to No Fill. Change the outline to white. Right-click on the text layer and click on Format, Text Effects. Go to the Fill and Outline tab and expand the outline part. Change the width to 2.5. Go to the Selection pane again and select the second text layer. In the Selection pane, rename it. Now place the outline layer right on top of the text layer. In the Selection pane, drag the background removed layer into the second position. Our parallax effect is done. Now let's add some animations to it. Select both the background removed image and the original image while pressing Ctrl on your keyboard. In the title bar, click on Animations. Go to the More Animations option. From here, select the Grow and Shrink animation. In the menu bar, click on Animation pane. In the Animation pane, click on the second animation. In the drop-down, start with Previous. Now right-click on the animations. In the drop-down, click on Effect Options. In here, change the size to 125. Increase the smooth start and smooth end by 1 point. Go to the Timing tab and click on the Repeat option. In the drop-down, select until End of Slide. Now if I open slide mode, you can see that we have created a stunning parallax text reveal effect.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.